Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Bluetooth problems. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, tap on general management, go down, tap on reset, tap here, go down, tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, tap here, tap on this reset settings button. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings, that's all. Tap on this reset settings button. See the message Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. Done. Let me close this. Then again go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to connections. Here we can turn on or off Bluetooth. Let me turn on Bluetooth. Tap on this Bluetooth label. Now phone is searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Next I am going to connect this OnePlus Buds 4 to this Samsung phone. Let me open the lid. Next I am going to put this device in pairing mode. Here you can see one button. Press and hold this button. Now this light is flashing, that means now this device is in pairing mode. Go to phone, tap on scan. Here you can see OnePlus Buds 4. That is the name of this device. Tap on this name. Tap on pair. See, it's connected. See the status, connected for calls and audio, 100% battery remaining. Tap on the settings icon. Here you can see more options. From here we can enable or disable calls and audio. We can also change audio device type here. Go back. From here we can rename, disconnect or unpair. Let me go back. If you want to temporarily disconnect this buds from the Samsung phone, you can just tap here. Done. Later if you want to reconnect, again tap here. That way you can reconnect. This way we can reset all Bluetooth settings and fix all Bluetooth problems. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.